Good morning, students. I am Sarika Pawar, teacher here from Daudbag English UPS School. Today I am going to teach you math subject. Before that, let's have one prayer. So, all of you join your hands and close your eyes. Om Bhurvasvaha Tasya Viturvarenyam भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Now, all of you rub your hands, put it on your eyes, and gently, slowly open your eyes. Now, students, see here, in last lecture, we learn about fraction. In that topic, we learn like fraction, unlike fraction, and conversion of unlike fraction into like fraction. All these concepts we covered in problem set 18. And today we are going to learn problem set 19. So before that, let's have some small activity. After that, I will start our fraction topic. See here, students, we have small activity here, comparison of number. Now you have to tell me which number is greater and which number is smaller. So see here, some blank boxes are there. In that blank boxes, what we have to do? We have to put this sign, greater than, smaller than, and is equal to. See, first student, first example is 9, blank blocks, and 5. Now tell me which number is greater and which number is smaller. So here is the 9 number is the greater number. So I will put greater than sign over here. So 9 is greater than 5. After that, see here 2 and 8. So 8 number is greater than 2. Next, 6 and 2. 6 number is greater than 2. Next, 5 and 5. Now see here, 5 and 5 means both the number are the same. So here, no smaller, no greater. Both number are equal. So I will put equal sign here. Next, 3 and 7. Problem number 5. 3 and 7. 7 is the greater than number 3. Problem number 6. 4 and 4. Both the number are same. So we will put equal ka sign here. Isn't it? So what we learn? Comparison of numbers. We learn comparison of numbers. So students, today we are going to learn comparison of fractions. Comparison of fraction. I divided this problem set into 4 parts. So as per this rule, I segregated examples regarding these rules also. So now first I'll describe the 4 parts of the comparison of fraction. So let's have first part, comparison like fraction. In this, we have to compare like fractions. And like fraction, we learn already in problem set 18. how to identify like, how to identify unlike, how to convert unlike into like. All this we already learned. So comparison of fraction, first part is comparing like fraction, comparing fraction with equal numerator. Those fraction have the equal numerator that we are going to compare today. Third, comparing fraction with the equal numerator and equal denominator. Those fraction have the equal numerators and the equal denominators, that also we are going to learn. And fourth one is comparing unlike fraction, means those fraction have the different numerator and the different denominator. In this fraction all numbers are different. So let's have comparing like fraction. We will learn this point. First one. Comparing like fractions. See here, in like fractions, the fraction with the greater numerator is a greater fraction, isn't it? Means what the rule says, it is the rule of the comparison, comparing like fraction. So while comparing like fraction, we have to follow this rule. So what the rule says? The rule says the fraction with the greater numerator is a greater fraction. Okay. So this rule, in this exercise, problem set 19, there are 16 examples are there. In that 16 examples, comparing like fraction, examples 2 and 3, second and third example based on comparing like fraction. This example, example number 2 and example number 3 are based on comparing like fraction. So I am not going to solve 16 examples serially. I will take examples as per the rules. These rules, example number 2 and 3 following comparing like fraction rules. So I am solving example numbers 2 and example number 3 here. So observe your textbook, have a look on problem set 19. So you will get to know second problem is 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8. Here is the numerator is 3 and here is the numerator 2. Here is the denominator 8. Here is the denominator 8. So those denominators are same. That fraction we called as a like fraction. Now we have to compare the fraction. So see here what the rule says. The fraction with greater numerator is a greater fraction. So see the numerator now. Here is the numerator 3 and here is the numerator 2. Isn't it? So 3 is a greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. That's why 3 upon 8 fraction greater than 2 upon 8 fraction. Got it? Means if the denominators are the same, that time we have to compare the numerator value. And with the numerator value, we will decide greater and smaller fraction. See problem number 3. 2 upon 11, 10 upon 11. Here is the numerator is 2 and here is the numerator 10. And denominators are the same, that is 11, 11. So if the denominators are the same, that time what we have to do? What the rule says? In like fraction. Yes, it's like fraction because its denominators are same. The fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. Right? So here is the numerator value 2 and here is the numerator value 10. So which one is greater and which one is smaller, you tell me? Yes, 2 is the smaller and the 10 is the greater. So of course 10 is greater than 2. So of course 10 upon 11 fraction greater than 2 upon 11. Isn't it? This is the rule number 1, comparing like fractions. Now students, we learn Rule number 1, comparing like fraction. Problem number 2 and problem number 3. Following comparing like fractions. Now see the second rule. Comparing fraction with equal numerator. Yes, Madhiya Sheikh, लिखना है बेटा. Yes, you can write down. Okay. Comparing fraction with equal numerator. Now this part we are going to learn. Comparing fraction with equal numerator. Now see here. Comparing fraction with equal numerator. See what the rule says. Of the fractions with equal numerator, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. So students, here is the concept is like greater denominator is the smaller fraction. So don't be confused here. This point you have to remember very well. Most of the students making mistakes in that. So these rules, see there. Example 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Example number 5, 6, 7, 8 are following this rule. So I am going to solve example number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Why I selected these examples? That first I will explain you. Comparing fraction with equal numerator. We have to compare fraction equal numerator. So I choose this example because this example have the equal numerator. See here in 5th example 5 numerator. Here also 5 numerator means equal numerator. That's why I choose example number 5. See here 6, problem number 6, here 4, here also 4, right? 4 and 4. Here also both the numbers are same. In the numerator values are same. So I took this example. I choose this example. Next 10 and 10. Here also numerator values are same. And example number 8. Here 1, numerator value 1. Here also numerator value 1. So I selected all these examples because of their numerator values are same. Now, what the rule says? Rule says that greater denominator is the smaller fraction. See here, greater denominator. Now here is the 8 and here is the 9. Which one is the greater denominator? Which one is the greater denominator? Who is raising their hands up? Prachi, Pramod Gupta and Priyanshu. Madhiha. Hello. See here, students, tell me. Tell me now. 8 is a greater or 9 is a greater?
9.
Yes, very good. Now see here, greater denominator means here denominator is greater, 9 is greater, right? So this will be the smaller fraction as per the rule. So though 9 is the greater, then also we call this as a smaller fraction. So it will be the smaller and 8 will be the greater fraction. Keep in mind, don't confuse in that. It's very much important part in this problem set. Okay. Now next example, see here. Who is raising their hands up? Priyanshu, Kumari, Sarvesh Mahato and Madhiha. Both students. See here. 4 and 4. In problem 6, numerator values is same, 4 and 4. Now see 7 and 11. Now tell me which number is the greater, 7 or 11? 7 or 11? Tell me now. Hello? Who will tell the answer? Prajwal, Madhiha, Priyanshu, Prachi, all are raising their hands up. Shakil. Which number is greater, 7 or 11?
11.
Yes, 11 is the greater. जो greater है, that will call it as a smaller fraction. Okay, this fraction will be the smaller fraction, and those is a smaller fraction, we called it as a greater fraction. Keep in mind this, don't be confused. Got it, all of you? Problem number 7. 10, 10. Numerator value is same. Now compare denominator value. 11, 13. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? Who is raising hands up? Madhiha.
13.
13. Very good. If the 13 is the greater value, then 11 will be the greater, because smaller fraction is greater, no? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now see problem number 8. Numerator. Now tell me 1, 1, 1, 1. Numerator values are same, isn't it?
Yes.
Now see denominator value. Denominator 5. Here is the denominator 9. So which one is greater and which one is smaller?
9 is big. 9 is big. Smaller.
Yes. Yes, bigger means greater. 9 is bigger, that is greater than 5. So here smaller fraction will be the greater fraction. Okay? Got it, all of you? See here. So comparing fraction with equal numerator. So example 5, 6, 7 and 8. These examples are following comparing fraction with equal numerator rule. Okay. Now unmute yourself. Mute yourself. See here, I will explain third part. After that, I will ask you the questions. Okay. First, you listen it carefully. See, mute yourself. Mute yourself. See here, third part, comparing fraction with equal numerator and equal denominator. Now, in this case, what we have to observe? Equal numerator and the equal denominator. Both are equal. Now, in this case, how you will compare? Now, see here, problem number 1 and problem number 12. Observe from your textbook. You will get to know the two problems. First problem is 3 upon 7 and 3 upon 7, isn't it? In this problem, 3, 3. Numerator value is same. And 7, 7. Denominator value also same. So, no comparison, no smaller, no greater. So, we will put is equal to ka sign. Okay. Because both the fractions are equal. Both fractions are equal. 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7. Now, problem number 12. In this problem also, you can observe denominator 9. Here also denominator 9. And numerator also 4. And here also numerator is 4. So, both the fractions are equal. No smaller, no greater. So, here both the fractions are equal. So, I will put is equal to ka sign here. Got it, all of you? So, comparing fraction with equal denominator and equal numerator case, no greater, no smaller. So, both the fractions are equal. So, problem number 1 and problem number 12 follows this rule. Say now, students, I will revise. Comparing like fraction we learn. Comparing fraction with equal numerator we learn. Comparing fraction with equal numerator and equal denominator we learn. And now we are going to learn comparing unlike fraction with different numerator and different denominator. In this case, there are examples. See example number 4, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. All these remaining examples are following this rule, comparing unlike fractions with different numerator and different denominator. Now see how we will solve this problem. Let's have look on first example, that is example number 4. See here, to compare unlike fractions, we convert them into equivalent fraction so that their denominators are the same. Yes, that already we learned in problem set 18. How to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. That already we learned in problem set 18. Now see fourth question, 5 upon 15 and 10 upon 30. Right? So here we must find common multiple of number 15 and 30. For that, we solved in problem set 18. So you remembered very well, I know. So multiple of 15 and multiple of 30. Here I wrote 15 table and here I wrote 38 table. So here number 30 is the common multiple of both the denominator 15 and 30. So let's make 30 denominator of both the fraction, isn't it? So for that, what to do? 5 upon 15 I wrote here, and 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So 15 twos are 30. Here I multiply by 2. So in numerator also I will multiply by 2. So 5 twos are 10, 15 twos are 30. Right? Now second part, 10 upon 30. 10 upon 30. See, 10 upon 30. So here I wrote 30 table, 30 ones are 30. Right? So 30 ones are 30. So here I multiply by 1. So in numerator also I will multiply by 1. Right? 10 ones are 10, 30 ones are 30. So 10 upon 30 and here also 10 upon 30. Both the answers I will write here, and now I will start comparison in between. So here I observe denominator 30, here also denominator 30, numerator 10 and numerator 10, means 10 upon 30, 10 upon 30. Both the fractions have the same value. So I will put is equal to sign in the box. Got it, all of you? In the same way, we have to solve problem 9. So example number 4 we solved. Now see example number 9. For that, what we have to do first? Here we must find common multiple of number 6 and 8. Here we must find common multiple of 6 and 8, isn't it? So for that, what we have to do first? We have to write multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. Multiple of 8. Okay. Table of 6. Right. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. Right. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. Like that way you have to write the table of 6. And 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, like that way. Okay. You can write full table also. But I got here the value, same value, common multiple is 24. I underline here both the common values. Here number 24 is a multiple of both 6 and 8. So let us make 24 denominator of 6 and 8. Right? Now, denominator of both the fraction. Not 6 and 8, both the fractions. First one, 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6. See here, 6 4 ja 24. So here also I will multiply by 4. 5 4 ja 20 and 6 4 ja 24. Got it all of you? Now see here, 1 upon 8, its second part. Now see the table of 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. If I multiply here by 3, upper side also multiply by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 8 3 ja 24. I got equal denominator here. So I converted here into the like fraction. So now write down here 20 upon 24 and 3 upon 24. Put box in between and now start comparison. What the rule says? Now here which rule will follow? Here the rule comparing like fraction. See here, in like fraction, the fraction with the greater numerator is a greater fraction. Rule number 1. So here denominators are the same. Okay, numerators are different, and if the numerator value is greater, that fraction will be the greater fraction. So compare now. Here is the numerator 20. Here is the numerator is 3. Now which one is greater, 20 or 3? You tell me. Who will tell me? Shaista? Shaista? Priyanshu? Prajwal? Anybody can tell me? Yes, 4 hands up. Badiha, Prachi? Who will tell? 20 is greater or 3 is greater? You tell me. Hello? Hello?
20.
20. Very good. 20 is greater. So, this fraction will be the greater fraction. Got it all of you?
Yes.
For comparing, first we have to make their denominators equal. And we learn already how to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. I converted unlike into like and then I started comparison. Our topic is comparing fractions. Got it all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now see here all of you. Problem number 9 I solved. Now let's move the problem number 10. Problem number 10. Observe your textbook in problem set 19. Problem number 10. 5 upon 12 and 1 upon 6. Isn't it? Able to see this problem? Is question? Same question you have? Yes. See here? Yes. Here we must find common multiple of which number? Common multiple of 12 and 6. Isn't it? For that now next step is what? What is the next step? We have to write multiple of 12 and multiple of 6, multiple of 12 and multiple of 6. So you are right, table number 12. Table 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. And here the multiple of 6. You can write the table of 6 by your own. 6 by 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Like that way you can write the table of 6. Got it all of you? Now tell me the common multiple in between. Tell me the common multiple. Which number will be common in the both the tables? You tell me.
24.
Acha, 24 will also come, but the lowest common multiple. You have to take smaller number. What else 24? Then you can observe 12. 12, 12, yes. 12, 12 is the common number. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, 12 also you can take and 24 also you can take. No problem. You want to take 24 number, Madiha? So we will take 24 number, no issue. Here, if you are taking 12, then you have to multiply by 2 in denominator. And if you are taking the multiple that is common number 24, then you have to multiply by 4. Keep in mind. If you are taking 12, then multiply by 2. And if you are taking 4, then multiply by 4. Okay. So what we have to do first? You tell me which number we will take. What you want, 12 or 24? For equal the denominator, what we have to do? Madiha? Prajwal? Prajwal? Priyanshu? What we have to do? Which number you want as a common multiple? You tell me. Huh? Hello? Hello? Okay. I will take here
24, 12.
24. 24 you want to take? Okay, fine. We will take 24. Here, number 24 is a multiple of, common multiple of both 12 and 6. Now, so let us make 24 denominator of both the fraction. Okay, 24, no issues. See, now see, observe here, 5 upon 12 I am writing, first part. So 12, na? 5 upon 12. 24, right? So in 12 ka table, 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are. If I am writing here 12 2s are, upper side also, in numerator I will multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10. 12 2s are 24. Yes, you got the number 24 as a denominator value. Next one is 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. 6 4s are. Now here 4s are. See here, if you want the value 24, 6 4s are. Then 6 4s are multiply by 4 and numerator also multiply by 4, isn't it? 4 1s are 4, 6 4s are 24. Yes, you got the value. What you want? 24. Now see here, 10 upon 24, 4 upon 24. If the denominator is same, means it is like fraction now. And what the like fraction rule say? Like fraction rule says, those numerators value is greater, that fraction will be greater. Now tell me 10 is greater or 4 is greater? Which number is greater? Which number is smaller? Who will tell?
4 smaller. 10.
Very good. 4 is smaller, 10 is greater. So we will put greater ka sign here and 10 upon 24 is the greater fraction than 4 upon 24. Got it, all of you? Got it, all of you?
Yes.
Yes. Now see problem number 10. We solved problem number 10. Now let's move towards problem number 11. Why I separated these examples? Because second example, third example following like fraction ka rule. Problem number 5, 6, 7, 8 following equal numerator rule. And problem number 1 and 2 following equal numerator, equal denominator rule. And rest are the different denominator, different numerator. These are examples based on comparing unlike fraction into like fraction rule. So now let's solve the next example, that is 11. Let's have look on the problem set 19. Example number 11 is, see, 7 upon 8 and 14 upon 16. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, yes, yes. Now what you have to do? First step, you will go stepwise now. Huh? First step, tell me. Common multiple we have to find, right? Here we must find common multiple. Steps are same. Don't be confused and follow the steps. You will get the answer easily. Here we must find common multiple of 8 and 16, right? Now what you will do? You will write here table. Multiple of 8 and multiple of
16.
16. Okay. Now table 8 1s are 8. Say the table 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are
16.
16. 8 3s are
24.
very good. 8 4s are
32.
very good. 8 5s are
40.
very good. Like that way you can write a table. Now tell me the table of 16. If you remember, you can tell me. 16 1s are 16. 16 2s are
32.
very good. 16 3s are
48.
16 48. Very good. 16 4s are 16 4s are okay. Okay, fine. Good. Very good. Now see here. We have to find common multiple. Na? So find here common multiple as a 16 and 16. Right? Right? Here, here number 16 is a multiple of both 8 and 16. Here number 16 is a multiple of both 8 and 16. So let us make 16 as a denominator of both the fraction. Okay. Now 1 minute, wait. Now see here.
Yes.
First fraction, tell me. 7 upon 8. Right? Sixteen is the common multiple. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Right? So here 8 2s are. Here also 2s are. Same number we have to multiply in numerator also. This is a very important step. I am telling again and again. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. Right?
Yes,
right?
Miss.
Now 14 upon 16. So 14 upon 16. 16 is the common multiple. 16 1s are 16. 1s are here also 1. 14 1s are 14. 16 1s are 16. Right?
Yes,
Yes
Miss.
or no?
Yes.
Now see 14 upon 16. I wrote here this value. Now this value I am writing here. I will putting box in between. Now 14 14. Same numerator value. 16
Yes.
16. Same denominator value. Then which symbol will come here? कौन सा sign आएगा? Which symbol will come here?
So,
Both the values are same. Numerator also 14, 14. Denominator also 16, 16. No comparison now. No smaller, no greater. Then I will put which sign?
Equal to.
Very good.
Equal to.
Means concept is clear. Very good. Very good. Is equal to. You are perfect. See now. This is problem number 11. I finished here. Now problem number 13. Okay. Problem number 13. We have to solve. Ready with the problem number 13? Have a look on it. Problem is 5 upon 18 and 1 upon 9, right? See here.
Yes.
We must find common multiple of both the number, that is 18 and 9. Now what we have to do? Multiple of 18 and then multiple of 9, right?
9.
Yes, 18 ones are 18. Say the table of 18. 18 twos are
36.
18 threes are bolo 54, right? And 9 ka table, 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are
36.
36. 9 fives are 45. See your students, आपको you have to learn table up to 20, at least minimum 20 table. 20 table you have to learn. Don't forget the table because in maths tables are so much important. See here, which one is common multiple now? 18, right?
18.
Yes, 18. Number
Or Miss
what?
36.
Yes, you can take 36, you can take 18, whatever you want, you can take. But keep in mind, while equaling the denominator, you have to multiply the proper number. Okay. Your number 18 is a multiple of both 18 and 19. That is both the fractions. Okay. Now tell first term 5 upon 18, right? 5 upon
Yes,
18.
miss.
You tell me now. 18 ones are 18, na? 18 ones are here also ones are, right? 5 ones are
5.
18 ones are
18.
very good. Now 1 upon 9. See 1 upon 9. Multiply here. 9 twos are 18.
18.
9. Yes, and 1 twos are 1 multiplied by 2. Yes, 2. Any number multiplied by 1, answer is the same value. 9 multiplied to 18. So see here, 5 upon 2, 5 upon 18, sorry, and 2 upon 18. Both the answer I wrote here, okay? Now what I will put here? Box, right? Now tell me, denominators are same. Now observe the numerator, 5 and 2. Which one is greater, which one is smaller? You tell me.
5 is greater, 2 is smaller.
Very good. Then 5 is greater. So 5 upon 18 fraction is greater than the fraction 2 upon 18. Got it, all of you? See here now, students. Example number 14, 15, 16 is for your homework now because our time is getting finished. So 14, 15, 16, 3 examples you have to solve by your own. Just click the screenshot of this pic. So you will get comparison of fraction has the teacher divided into the 4 parts. So you will get idea how to solve it by its rule. Okay. Take a screenshot. Don't write it.